Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad geometry challenge. Here we have this is a nice right triangle in which the length of its one side is 5 and the length of other two sides are unknown. So for this less information we need to find the parameter of this right triangle. I hope so you like this method, but if you have any other method in your mind, so please don't hesitate to write this method into the comment section. And now first we you just very well know about that the side opposite to the right angle is called the hypotenuse. So this side is called the hypotenuse and this is any other angle. So the side we join both of these two angles is called the base of this side, base of the right triangle, and this side is called the perpendicular side of the right triangle. And here also we denote the side opposite to the vertex capital A by small a, and we denote the side opposite to the vertex capital B by small b, and this is denoted by small c. So here you remember one thing is that here all the sides of this triangle should must be positive integer. Okay, so here we need to find all the other we need to find first the value of a and c, and then we move towards to find the parameter of this triangle. So because you see here this is the right triangle, so in the right triangle we know about that the Pythagoras theorem is hold in it, and you very well know about that the Pythagoras theorem is stated as hypotenuse square equals to base square plus perpendicular square. So this is the Pythagoras theorem, and here we substitute the values of h, b and p, and here our hypotenuse is denoted by c, so this will becomes here c square equals to the base is denoted by small a, and we write it as small a square plus perpendicular side is denoted by 5, which is given here, so we write it as a 5 square. And further in the next step we need more simplifications, and here we move the term a square from right hand side to the left hand side. This is positive term. When we move it into the left hand side it will becomes negative a square, and this is equals to 5 square, and we know that 5 square equals to 25. So first our target is to get the value of a and c, and here you know that the left hand side be the very famous algebraic formula. So c square minus a square equals to c minus a times of c plus a is equals to 25. So you see that in the left hand side we have there are two factors are multiplied by each other, but in the right hand side we have only one factor, so we need to make the right hand side is the product of two positive integers. So we have there are two possibilities. The first is 1 times 25 is equals to 25, and the second possibility is 5 times 5 becomes here 25. So now we divide this equation into the two cases. So here we write our first case, and in the first case we write the first case here. In the first case we compare c minus a equals to 1 and 25. So c minus a is equals to 1 and c plus a is equals to 25, and here we write our second case. So in the second case we compare these two factors with 5, and we get here c minus a is equals to 5 and c plus a is also equals to 5. So we have there are two cases, so we need to solve both of these two cases and we get the values of a and c. So here first we focus on the second case, and we call that this is equation number 1 and this is our equation number 2. So here we subtract equation number 1 and equation number 2. So when we subtract equation number 1 and equation number 2, we have when we subtract these we need to change these signs. So this is positive c and negative c are gone, and we get here minus a becomes minus 2a. This is positive 5, negative 5 are gone, and we get here 0. So from here we easily get the value of a is equals to 0. So you see that here we get a equals to 0, but our a be the base of the given right triangle. You know about that. The any side length of this triangle cannot be 0 or negative, so this is 0, so that we rejected this case. And here we cannot get the solution of this problem, so we just solve this question for first case here. And in this case, we called that this is our equation number 3 and this is our equation number 4. So here we sum up equation number 3 and equation number 4. So when we add both of these two equations, you see here this is c plus c becomes 2c, this is minus a and plus a are gone, and we get 1 plus 25 becomes 26. So here we divide both of the sides by 2 and we get this 2 and 2 are gone, and we obtain here c is equals to 2 ones are 2 and 2 threes are 6. So we get the value of c is equals to 13. So further in the next step, here we get the value of c, and now we use this value of c into the equation number 3 and we get the value of a, so that our equation number 3 is implies that c minus a equals to 1. The value of c is 13 minus a is equals to 1, and we get 13 minus 1 equals to a, and 13 minus 1 becomes 12 equals to a. So here you see that we easily get the value of a and c, 12 and 13 respectively, and you see that both of these two values are positive integer. So finally we will get all the sides length of the given triangle. So the side length of a is equals to 12, the side length b is equals to 5 which is given, and this length c is equals to 13. These are the all the sides length of the given right triangle, and now here we need to find the parameter of the given right triangle. So you very well know about that. The parameter of the triangle be the sum of the sides of all the sides of the triangle. Okay, so we have a parameter of the given triangle is equals to a plus b plus c. So the value of a is 12 plus b is 5 plus c is 13. And here when we sum up both of these two values, we get here 13 plus 5 becomes 18. So this is a 12 plus 18, and 12 plus 18 becomes here 30. This is the final answer of this question, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.